Got just $5? Let me show you how to potentially turn that into hundreds using DGFantasy. If you want to check it out for yourself, I dropped my sign-up link below in the description. DGFantasy isn't just another betting site, it's a research powerhouse. It compares odds across fantasy pick-em platforms like PrizePicks and Underdog, and finds mismatches that give you a winning edge. The DFS optimizer shows which player props are mispriced, highlighting positive expected value plays where your chances are stronger than expected. The DFS middling tool finds two different lines on the same player across platforms. If their performance lands in the middle, you win both sides. The AI Slip Generator builds fully correlated picks automatically, stacking players for higher payout potential. Lines change fast and DigiFantasy updates in real time. That means you can lock in value plays before they disappear. Here's how it works. You enter $5, use DigiFantasy tools to spot the best plays, and over time, those small discipline entries can snowball into hundreds. If you're ready to stop guessing and start playing smart, click the link in my description, sign up for DGFantasy, and put your first $5 entry to work.